In investing, there are dozens of thumb rules, and in this video, we will discuss the top 5 thumb rules of investing. And if you happen to know more of such thumb rules, do mention in the comments below. Hello everyone, my name is Shanawaz and I welcome you all to Friday First Call. The first rule is Rule of 72. So this rule tells you time taken by an investment to double in value based on its rate of return. For example, if you invest your money into a fixed deposit which is offering 6% rate of interest, then according to the rule of 72, if you divide 72 by the rate of interest, your money will be double in 12 years. Similarly, if the fixed deposit is offering 8% rate of interest, then your money will be double in 9 years. And the second rule is Rule of 70, which tells you time taken for an investment's value to half based on the inflation rate. This is an excellent rule that helps you to determine what your current wealth will be valued at 10 or 20 years down the line. Even if you do not spend a single penny from it, neither invest it, the value of the money will be much less than what it is today. The reason is inflation. For example, suppose you have rupees 1 crore and the rate of inflation is 5%. So going by the rule of 70, the value of rupees 1 crore will be worth 50 lakhs in 14 years. Now that you know how fast your money goes up and down, let's look at some other rules that can help you in the investment process. The third rule is 100 minus age rule. 100 minus age rule is a very simple rule to determine one's asset allocation. That is, how much proportion of your investment should be invested into equities and how much in debt. For example, if you're 25 years old and you want to invest rupees 10,000 every month, here according to the rule of 100 minus age rule, your equity proportion would be 75%, which is 100 minus 25. Then rupees 7,500 should be put into equities and the remaining rupees 2,500 should be allocated to debt. Similarly, if you're 35 years old and you want to invest rupees 10,000 every month, then according to 100 minus age rule, your equity proportion would be 65%, which is 100 minus 35, which is your age. Then 6,500 should be put into equities and the remaining 3,500 should be allocated to debt. Now the fourth thumb rule of investing is 10% investment rule. When we start earning, saving and investing probably is not the first thing that comes on our minds. However, if one wants to benefit from the power of compounding and want to build wealth and achieve the financial goals, it is really important to start and invest early. This thumb rule says that if investor wants to start by investing 10% of your current salary and increase it by 10% every year. Let's understand this with a very simple example. For example, suppose you're 25 years old and your monthly salary is rupees 30,000 and you have decided to invest 10% of your salary, which is 3,000 rupees every month, into an investment option that is giving you 10% average annual return, and you've also decided to step up your investment by 10% every year. So going by the rule, you will be able to create an investment corpus of 3.4 crores by the time you retire at the age of 60. The fifth thumb rule of investing is the 4% withdrawal rule. Most people try to save and invest for their retirement and create a corpus that outlasts them. However, with inflation rates being unpredictable, there is a risk of burning through the retirement corpus before time. The 4% withdrawal rule is designed for retirees to ensure a steady income stream without spending the savings at a fast pace. The 4% withdrawal rule stipulates that you should not withdraw more than 4% of your retirement corpus in just 1 year. Assume you've accumulated rupees 2 crores for your retirement life, then as per the 4% withdrawal rule, you should not withdraw more than rupees 8 lakhs in a year. Now, thumb rules may provide great assistance, but they should not be the primary reason why you invest or do not invest in any financial product. It is also important to note that these thumb rules of investing should not be followed blindly. It is also important to consider other factors such as your risk appetite, financial goals, and investment horizons before taking any investment decisions. And remember, a good investment portfolio is one that works towards your financial goals, keeping your risk tolerance and investment horizon in mind. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more such informative content on personal finance and investments, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.